I'll show you the water vents. Enfield engineers have done a very beautiful job. I mean, they have thought over this a lot. Now, as you know, this is the plug cavity, right? From both sides, you can make out a plug cavity, right? Now the depth is very, it's very deep down. Now, just in case if the water accumulates in this cavity, then how will this water will come out of this the cavity, right? So there is a basically drain hole. This is the drain hole which has to be cleaned, right? Same way they have given drain hole for the left hand. This is the right hand side plug. This is the drain hole. Keep on cleaning this drain hole all the time. I'll show you the, and this is this one. As you can see, this is the left plug drain hole. See, there is a cavity, there is a track which is going in towards outside. So this is the hole. As you can see, this is for the draining purpose. So water gets drained through these holes. So you have to keep on cleaning these holes, because sometimes what happens, the mud might block the area and water will start accumulating over there and the plugs will get short.